Welcome to DS Core General. In this tutorial, you will learn about some exciting new possibilities that supports you to manage your patient list and media gallery with ease. First, let's talk about the new search functionality. You can now search by card ID in 3 different areas. In the patient list, simply enter the card ID in the search bar at the top of your patient list. This will quickly filter the list to show the specific patient you're looking for. If you have files that haven't been assigned to a patient yet, you can search for them by card ID in the Unassigned Files section. On your dashboard, you can also use the card ID to find a patient directly from the Patient List widget. In the Media Library, you can now search for files by their file names. Just type the file name into the search bar, and the system will display all matching files. This is particularly useful if you have a large number of media files and need to find a specific one quickly. Moving on to some other updates in your media library, and I know some of you have been waiting for this one. You can now reassign media files to another patient. If a file was mistakenly assigned to the wrong patient, you can easily correct this by selecting the file and choosing the new patient from the reassignment options. You can now edit the file names of your media files directly within the Patient Media Library. To do this, select the file you want to rename, click on the edit icon, and enter the new file name. The original file name will be overwritten, and the new name will be consistent across all viewers' products and media libraries. We've also added the ability to show thumbnails for videos. This makes it easier to identify video files at a glance. When you upload a video, a thumbnail will be automatically generated and displayed in the media library. And that's it! Be sure to check out our What's New section to learn about new features and functionalities for DS Core Diagnose, Plan and Make. Thank you for watching.